The Montana Black Dye Ink Marker contains a high-quality alcohol-based dye ink that is permanent and UV-resistant. The refillable marker is available in 3 different nib sizes: 8mm round, 10mm chisel, and 15mm standard. Replacement nibs are available separately. Each marker contains 20 milliliters of dye ink that is a typical low-viscosity ink. The line offers several carefully selected translucent colors. In contrast to strong black, the other colors in the range are more translucent, which is a typical characteristic for classic alcohol-based dye inks. The ink is delivered through the marker's felt tip by a refillable pump system valve and can be applied to almost any surface. All markers in the Montana Black Dye Ink Marker range are fully refillable, and the tips are also replaceable. The marker comes with a sturdy black printed aluminum body that is built to last. Screw to the right to open the marker. Remove marker head and take out valve. Fill the empty marker no more than 2/3 full. Replace valve and screw marker head onto the left. Pump the marker slowly to release the paint or ink. Control the paint or ink flow through the tip by varying pumping time. For highly liquid application, pump the marker repeatedly as desired. Over-pumping the marker tip will result in an excess of ink flowing to the marker tip. Ensure excess ink is drained from the tip before ending use and replacing the marker cap. Montana Black Dye Ink Marker, the classic ink marker. Highest quality made in Germany.